Welcome back to the Ken and Kim channel. I am Kim, and today we'll be doing a belly casting. Today I have two helpers with me, and we want to start by introducing my friend Portia here.
Hi guys, I'm excited to be here doing a belly cast with Kim, and check out my YouTube channel, The Indigo Effect, if you're into meditation and consciousness.
And I also have with me my daughter Anaya, who's 10 years old.
Hi everyone, my name's Anaya. I'm so happy to be here with my mom. I'm about to give birth to my baby sister Nairobi. But my channel is called Anaya's World. I have vlogs, gaming, pranks, and etc, etc.
This is the third trimester bag, and today we'll be doing the belly casting, and I'm going to allow Portia to show you guys what's inside because it was gifted to me from her. So, explain.
Alright, so I thought the stork bag in the third trimester would be a great gift because I saw this casting case in there. So what's inside the kit is like some strips. They gave us like 4 packs of strips where you can dip it in water and kind of like mold it on the belly. And then they gave us some gloves and petroleum jelly to kind of like protect the skin so it doesn't stick too much. So that's what came in the bag, along with so much more, but this is what we're gonna do today.
Well, maybe I should put mine.
Gonna spend the rest of my life. Gonna spend the rest of my life.
we gotta let it sit and set. So I'm excited. This has to set anyway, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. I'm telling you how I feel. I'm being honest.
No, talk about good things, not about bad things.
When I have to pee.
Is she kicking while she's in there?
I don't feel her kicking around, but she was like, I don't know, she feel like she was doing something when they was doing the cast.
I'm gonna be wearing her cast.
So they do that and you can see it
Wearing her cast. What you is? Silence of the Lambs?
My breast is beautiful. It's big and beautiful, but overall I feel good. I'm happy to get it over with. 36 weeks, I'm tired. I researched when women did it, and optimally they did it at around 36 weeks. But I'm glad I get to do this because I've never done this before. So I'm excited. So I'm excited to see the finished product and be able to decorate the cast and put it in her nursery. So stay tuned for the finished product. Finished with the casting. We already took off the cast off and I'm already cleaned up, so we have to wait 2 to 3 days until it fully dries and we can decorate it and put it in our nursery. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share.